Hello, my name is Teacher Mick. Welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. On this channel, I will teach you clear and simple English. To get the best from this channel, you must repeat the basic lessons every day until you can recognize all 26 letters. In these videos, I will use basic words, short sentences, and easy examples. This channel is for everyone who wants to understand English better and speak more clearly. If you want to learn English step by step, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications. Thank you. Let's start and make English easy together. From ABC to reading, learn with Teacher Mick. Lesson 12, the letter X, Part 3. The letter X has 3 different sounds. In this lesson, we are doing gz. Repeat after me. Gz, gz, gz. Look at the different pictures and see if you know what the words are. They are absolutely the same. They are... And the answer is... exact, exact, exact. You do these at school. It is an... And the answer is... exam, exam, exam. This is the way out. It is the... And the answer is... exit, exit, exit. This is another hard one. I have made a house from Lego. I want you to copy me. This is an... And the answer is... example, example, example. This is another hard one. One cat can, the other cat doesn't. The cat can... And the answer is... exist, exist, exist. Another hard one. She works in business. She is an... And the answer is... executive, executive, executive. What is this part of the car? It is the... And the answer is... exhaust, exhaust, exhaust. What was your score? Wow, well done. Tell me your score in the comments below. Thank you to my subscribers and goodbye.
Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick. Learning English with Teacher Mick.